How to log into your Keka account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your Keka account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Keka. After you open it up, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. After you've done that, here you will see the login option. Tap on login and it will take you to this another page. Now here you will be able to see multiple options you can log in with. So first you can log in with your email or your username. Other than that, you can also continue with your mobile number, your Microsoft account, your Google account, and your username on Keka. So simply type in your username here, whatever is your username that you said while you set up your account, then tap on continue. Then simply type in your company's domain name and then your username again and then your password. After you do that, go through the CAPTCHA to make sure that you are a human and then tap on login. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your Keka account. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.